Today, we're diving into the Lenovo IdeaPad 3, the latest addition to Lenovo's lineup. With its 15.6-inch HD touchscreen display, this laptop offers a crisp viewing experience perfect for work or entertainment. What sets this model apart is its upgraded specs, boasting a hefty 20GB DDR4 RAM paired with a blazing fast 1TB PCIe SSD. It promises smooth multitasking and lightning-fast storage access. Under the hood, it's powered by the Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor, delivering efficient performance for everyday tasks. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed, offering a fresh and modern interface along with new features and optimizations. The inclusion of Marxell accessories, including an HDMI cable and USB extension cord, adds value to the package, making it ready for a variety of setups and environments. In terms of connectivity, this laptop offers a range of ports including USB 3.2 Gen 1, USB 2.0, HDMI, and a microSD media card reader, ensuring compatibility with various devices and peripherals. The integrated 720p webcam is handy for video conferencing and online classes. Design-wise, the almond color gives it a sleek and modern look, while its slim profile makes it portable and easy to carry around. Weighing just over 4 pounds, it strikes a good balance between performance and portability. Overall, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 impresses with its upgraded specs, sleek design, and versatile features. Whether you're a student, professional, or small business owner, this laptop offers the performance and convenience you need to stay productive and connected. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.